Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing LibreWolf versus Firefox. So if you don't know what these two are, LibreWolf is a privacy-focused fork of Firefox with telemetry removed and hardened security settings. And Firefox, on the other hand, is a mainstream open-source browser with good privacy options, wide compatibility, and user-friendly features. Now, let's go over the pros and cons of each here, starting with LibreWolf. So the pros of LibreWolf is that it has no telemetry, strong default privacy settings, and it is based on Firefox, so the UI is familiar. Now the cons of it is that it has no auto updates, and some features or extensions may not work. So let's discuss the pros and cons of Mozilla Firefox here. So the pros of Mozilla is that it is actively maintained with regular updates, customizable and user-friendly. It has a good balance of privacy and functionality, and a lot more. So, the cons of it is that it sends some telemetry by default, and finally, it requires tweaking for maximum privacy. So, which one is right for you? So, you should choose LibreWolf for maximum privacy out of the box, and choose Firefox for more features, better support, and broader compatibility. And that is it. That is the difference between LibreWolf and Firefox. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.